First step is press Windows U to open settings. Now go to the account, family, other, user, add account, wait for the loading. Then I don't have this person sign in information. Then add user without a Microsoft account. So dito is ilalagay yung name ng user, then yung password, then dito may tatlong ilagay na questions na kailangan mong lagyan ng answer keys na nakalimutan mo yung password. Then after mo lagay, press click next. And now, gagawa tayo ng test folder. New folder, then lagay natin test folder. Then, mag-add tayo ng dalawang Word document. So, copy. Then, paste natin sa loob ng folder. And then dito sa right click yung test folder, properties, then security, then edit, then add, lalagay dito yung pangalan ng user, standard account natin. Okay. Apply. Then okay. So yung pag-add dito sa may security is para magkaroon ng access with standard user account and mag-gain siya ng copy ng folder na to. So after natin gawin sa may security sa properties ng folder is press Windows L, then mag-login tayo sa standard user account, then search natin yung folder na ginawa natin. Then pag nakita natin, mag-open natin yung folder and try natin mag-delete ng isang file. So dito makikita is hindi ka pwedeng mag-delete ng file because wala kang access na mag-modify and kailangan ng permission ng admin. Now, mag-login tayo sa administrator ulit. Then dito, try natin i-encrypt yung folder. Right-click yung folder, properties, then next step is general tab, then advanced. Dito, i-check yung encrypt content to secure data, then click OK, then apply, then Windows N, and login tayo sa standard user, and i-open natin test folder, then try natin mag-open isa. As you can see, yung hindi siya accessible sa standard user account and the version should be accessible and readable. Now, let's log in as administrator again. So, dito is exchange naman natin yung permission ng standard. So, pagka-login natin as administrator, then properties, then security, then select the standard user, and edit. I-check natin yung modify. Yeah, check natin read, then apply, then now dito after natin doon so modify is natin tayo as a standard user. Now kapag nag-open tayo ng isang document, it's dapat hindi siya accessible or check natin yung modify is kapag nag-delete yung standard user account is mag-delete na ito hindi naman na permission ng admin. Search ko yung total panel. Then, natin yung user account. Then, kapag kaselect natin yung user account, change password. Then, mag-vote natin yung field of text box. Then, lagyan natin yung name. Okay. Then, try natin yung check Windows and send yung password to user account. As you can see,